Are you looking for the best grill cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best grill cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Carbona Grill and Grate Cleaner, Best Anti-Corrosion Grill Cleaner. In this position, our team has placed this top-grade cleaner that not only cleans the mess but also ensures the corrosion stay aware. This cleaner has shown perfect results on impurities like carbon, grease, caked on food, etc. It comes with a solid gel that clings with the surface and cleans it from the core. In addition to cleaning, this solution reduces smoke and flare-ups to a greater extent. At number 4, Bryson Industries Grill Cleaning Spray, Best for Quick Work. If you are tired of oil, stains, grease and food spills on your grill, then it is time to say them goodbye by buying this amazing grill cleaning spray. This product demands very little effort from the user and works on a variety of surfaces. It is a completely non-toxic solution that works without leaving scratches on the surface. There is no phosphate in this cleaner, making it completely safe for the skin. At number 3, Therapy Premium Stainless Steel Cleaner, Editor's Choice. It is one of the best grill cleaners for individuals who don't prefer buying separate products for cleaning various kitchen appliances. It can clean a variety of things that range from grills to the stoves and even refrigerators. This amazing cleaning formula consists of a high-quality blend of vanilla lavender essential oil and natural coconut oil. It will not only remove the steel from the grills but also make the cleaning experience pretty easier even if it is your first time. At number 2, Carbona 320-2-1 Cleaner, Best Dual-Purpose Cleaner. If you want to have an added benefit of cleaning the oven along with the barbecue grill, then buy the Carbona 320 without thinking further. It is an effective solution for clearing the buildups from the grills and oven in an effortless manner. This easy-to-use a cleaner that doesn't demand the heat of the grill. It is one of its type products that offer a unique and safer cleaning experience to the buyers. At number 1, Native Organics Oven and Grill Cleaner, Best Organic Grill Cleaner. If you are one of those individuals who prefer buying natural products, then it will be a wise decision to go for this best grill cleaner. It made from plant-based ingredients without any help of the toxic chemicals that irritates eyes and skin. You can easily remove the stains with this solution without any involvement of heavy scrubbing. It is based on the special formula that allows the solution to complete the job within 1 to 2 minutes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.